Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Volkswagen model and the radio/navigation unit version. This matters because files differ across MIB generations. Once confirmed, prepare a 16 GB or larger USB drive formatted FAT32 and ensure the car battery is stable. Start the engine or use accessory power. Next, download the official map or software update to your PC, extract the archive, and copy the required folder structure to the USB drive root. Do not rename files, and make sure transfer completes without errors before moving to the car. You insert the prepared USB into the designated front port while the engine runs or the car is in accessory mode, because updates can take 20-60 minutes. Then, open the navigation or infotainment setup, go to System or Software Update, and choose the detected USB package. The unit will verify files and may reboot multiple times. This is normal. Make sure you follow prompts to start installation, stay in the vehicle, and avoid using other heavy electrical loads, so the update proceeds uninterrupted and verifies correctly. You finish by checking settings system info to confirm the new map or firmware version. Verify navigation functions like routing and voice guidance. If the update fails, first reformat the USB to FAT32, redownload the package, and copy files again. Corruption is common. If problems persist, note the unit serial number and any error codes, then contact your Volkswagen dealer or authorized service. They can load updates via diagnostic tools. One tip: keep a backup of original files and be ready to provide logs when asked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.